Hey guys, welcome back to Arry the Stag. TR Tony here, welcoming you back on this rather foggy and misty weekend, but we're all here, all fun, all Arry the Stagging, so that's really good. Hope you're having a good week wherever you are. Just checking in on a couple of visits to Alan a few weeks ago. This was before we all went into lockdown, and we went down to have a look at the boot lid of UNY 49M. It's been parked up the corner of the garage for quite some time, and it was about time we had a good look at it, because you know that the body tub is beginning to get fixed now, so he's putting paint on that, and presumably has done a little bit more since we last saw it, but just thought we'd look at the boot lid because it's the next job in hand, and let's just show you what we did. So before we show you what we did at Alan's, I just thought it would be very interesting to show you UNY 49M's boot as we found it when we first had the car way back in 2017. And on the face of it, as you can see, it looks all right, doesn't it? It obviously is well painted and well fillered, as we were about to reveal, but it doesn't look too bad. Bit of tea-cut and polish, you'd think it'll be all right, but let's go to Alan's and have a look. There we go. Let's go and see what's been going on. And yeah, it has been blasted.
It's been blasted, but you can see where that had all been fillered.
Yeah, yeah.
Because that would have all been filler in there, because someone's hammered that back
And then skimmed it over the top.
to skim over the top.
Yeah.
But all of this, you couldn't filler that.
No way.
If you fillered that, you'd slam the boot a couple of times and you'd wonder
It
why.
will just drop out.
What are those bits in the boot?
Yeah.
So
There's a whole ton of rust inside.
yeah, yeah.
What about a top skin? What's that?
The top skin's not bad.
There you are. You can hear the rust.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And you can see the sound.
Yeah, there's some sound. Yeah.
There you go.
There we go. Still there.
Yeah, loads more sound. The actual skin, I wouldn't be surprised if it had been reskinned at some point. But
Looks alright, doesn't it? Apart from a few.
you can see where it's gone right through.
You got some pinholes there.
But again, you see, you've got nothing you could weld.
No.
And that is rusting from the inside.
Yeah.
So, I mean, if it was possible to get another
Go and have a look.
boot,
Yeah.
but the thing is, if it's in paint, you're not going to know how much of it is filler.
That's the problem, isn't it? Could be exactly the same, only
Precisely.
covered with paint and
So,
filler. Yeah.
with regards to the boot, I can rescue it.
Yeah. Okay. There's quite a lot of work there.
No more so than the doors.
Yeah, okay. All right, guys, so good just to quickly check in at Alan's to see what progress there is with this boot. I know one or two of you have sent me some links for ones, for example, on eBay and whatever, and we have had a good look at those. The only problem with those is there was one that was very, very nice, actually. It was in a kind of softer yellow than our inky yellow. Not that that mattered, but it was immaculate. The trouble was, I think it probably was going for about 500 quid. So what Alan said was he felt pretty confident he could do the boot lid as you saw in the video, and without buying any more panels. So I think I'm just going to trust him to do the job, and no doubt he will get it done in due course. So very, very exciting. Obviously the car itself is beginning to take paint now, so we're not far off that coming back home at last. And yeah, all things tickety-boo. So that's when the pressure is going to be on us to get the car back together and rebuild it, but obviously we'll share with you that journey as well. Good stuff. Okay, well, if you're not part of the action already, please feel free to go on our website and join up for our Saturday sockets. It's an email that goes out every Saturday about offline shenanigans that we get up to every week, and lots of people say they jump out of bed in the morning to read it wherever they are around the world. Some perhaps have an extra tot of whiskey, I don't know. So that's all good. So go on and do that, and equally sign up for your badge of honour. It's a free sticker that you can put on your windscreen, and helps you and us all share the classics dream, so it's all great. All right, guys, well, have a great week wherever you are. Please stay safe and stay distant, and keep your distance and all the rest of it, as we all have to do, and we'll see you online on Arry the Stag very soon. Have a great week, guys. All the best. Bye.